riding a bike with a gimbal. Should look very smooth. In fact, if you walk with this gimbal, it actually has a little bit up and down jitter. And that is very difficult to eliminate because the gimbal is really tiny and small. It's not as powerful. It definitely is very useful when you are doing, some shots in motion, when you are moving. In fact, I did a short video for my work a few years ago, 2 years ago, with this gimbal with the A6300 on it. Really nice. I love using that. But I don't use this for vlogging because it's just a double hassle to turn on the gimbal and turn on the camera. It's a little bit too one step extra. I don't like it. That's why I need a good IBIS like GH5 and GX85. They have great IBIS. If you just handheld shoot vlog, it doesn't look that bad. It's really smooth. But with the gimbal, I believe right now it should look just super buttery smooth because I'm not walking. There's no up and down motion. It should look perfect. But we'll see. I don't know. I never shot anything on a bike before. Oh my god. Some bumpy road. Alright, a little bit of disaster there because I accidentally turned the zoom ring to like a 14-15 millimeters, so it was zoomed all the way into my face, so you don't really see the 12 millimeter glory. So I'm gonna zoom out to 12 millimeter and reshoot this kind of clip. I'm gonna just ride a bike a little bit and then later turn to walking and see how it looks when I'm walking. So you can't really tell, right? You can't really tell how well it works. How well it works when it's just my face in the frame. You don't see the background, so you don't have a. Oh my god! It takes a while for the gimbal to turn, to pan left and right. Anyways, we're on a bike. You should see the background right now, right? All right, we're gonna get off the bike and walk a little bit. I'll show you how it looks when you're walking. Here we go. I'm gonna walk. We're walking right now, uphill a little bit to test it out. I would never use this setup to vlog, though it does look pretty smooth and nice. So we're going uphills, so you should see a lot of background down there. Just turn the angle of the camera. It's very nice. You can adjust the angle of the camera, tilt it up and down by just using the joystick. It's very convenient. And so also it does have some Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connection to the camera. You can set it up and use the recording button on the gimbal, so it's going to be much easier to record and stop recording, other than, right now I'm manually hitting the button on the camera, which is very, very difficult to do when a gimbal is running. Alright, that's it for this test. not quite as smooth. A lot of micro jitters, so yeah.